was 15, I inherited my great-grandfather's truck when he passed away, and it was a Ford, so it was kind of hunk of shit. But it had really low miles. It was a 2000 Ranger, and only had 49,000 miles on it, which is nothing. So the air conditioning didn't work. The radio only had like one button. It had no buttons that would work, because that ended up being a fuse. It had nothing. And then just out of necessity, I had to get stuff to work. You know, here in Georgia, you can't go without air conditioning. That's not feasible to show up to work in any kind of condition that's not, labor. But damn, this hose. So I started then. That was when I was 15. And I just kept fixing that junk. I fixed this old red truck here as well. And then I didn't get my first automotive job until after I'd already gone to automotive school. I got my first job working for BMW, Audi, Volkswagen specialist shop, and that was my first automotive job. And I worked there full time for about 6 months, and then I realized doing it on my own is way more lucrative. So I left there and came to work for myself, and I've been working on cars ever since. So I guess all in total, that's about 6 or 7 years. So hope that answers your question.